Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. We are back with another toolkit. We are back with another trainer. Tone of voice. Whenever you are giving any facilitation related to the tone of voice, we have a beautiful toolkit being presented by Dipanshi Agarwal, who is our soft skills and personality development trainer. And she is going to take you through the nuances of how to actually use this toolkit and where to use it and how you can benefit from it. Yes, over to you, Dipanshi.
Thank you so much, Radhika, for the wonderful introduction. So, let us all begin with the understanding of the toolkit for the topic tone of voice. So, I feel as this is a very important aspect in a personality development, right? So, today we will be going to understand how this can be useful for all the trainers who might who may use this in their webinars or in their workshops, correct? So the purpose of this tool the purpose of this actually topic tone of voice is positive and effective vocal tone helps participants to improve their communication, build their confidence, and aids in personal and professional relationship. So this is the purpose of making this toolkit for tone of voice. Then we will be learning about the its framework, how your participants can work upon their voice tone to build their confidence and enhance their relationships. So there is a vibe framework. It is a four-step model to improve the vocal tone for our personality. It see, the tone is not just how we sound. It is basically how we make others feel by our tone and by our pitch, right? So vibe, in vibe, it is the abbreviation for voice, intention, breath, and expression, right? So here we will be learning about all the four components. So voice, what does how what it fixes and how it impacts. So it fixes monotone and unclear tone. Like if somebody is speaking and there is a monotonous voice, so or unclear tone, so other person or people or the audience will be unable to understand their message in the correct manner, right? And impact, if we will be working on our voice, then it will make us more professional, sound like more confident. And coming to the another like component, that is intention. So when we are speaking, our intention also reflects in our voice. So it changes the random tone of our like in our voice. So if we are improving our intention, like if we are improving our tone through our intention, so it will make us more consistent and gives emotional clarity to the audience. And if while we are breathing, coming to the next component, that is breathe. So when we are speaking, if we are taking a breath before and after speaking, or in between while we are speaking, so it gives the more strong, stable, and calm message to the audience. And it helps us to fix our shaky and weak voice. So these all things reflects our personality, that how confident, how strong we are, and how calmly we are delivering the message to the others. Then the fourth component is your expression. So while we are speaking, and just like I am also communicating to you guys, so automatically our expressions appears on the face. So if somebody is speaking, in a flat or robotic tone, right? So the other person will just think that the other person is memorizing, or he has just memorized it and just speaking for the sake. But if we are working on our expressions also, like if we are greeting somebody and we are giving a smile, so other person will think that yes, the other person is happy to welcome us or greet us. So it will give great impact. It will make us more engaging, dynamic, and humanly human tone will be there in our voice, along with the good expressions. So now, all the trainers, while you will be delivering your session, there are few active list of activities which I have put here, which you can use. Any of these you can use with your participants or the audience, so that they can improve their tone or vocal voice, right? So here is the first activity which we will be looking for, that is pitch play activity. So pitch play activity is to improve the pitch and avoid monotone speech. So what you can do is, with your participants, give them a simple line. For example, today I want to share something important. Try to say this line in high pitch, low pitch, and in natural pitch with slight variation. Then ask the other people or the co participants to recognize it. Like, which pitch is more natural and sounds better. This is how they will learn how to modulate their pitch in their voice. Then next comes your pace and pause challenge. So here in this activity, your participants will learn how to control their speed and use pauses effectively. So what activity we can give to our participants here is, give participants a short paragraph of 4 to 5 lines. Ask them to read it too fast, too slow, and just adding right pauses. So here, all the people will learn like how to have a control over your voice and use the pauses in a correct manner, so that correct message can be delivered to the audience. So these are just quick and easy activities or practices which we can use on exercises also to improve our vocal tone, right? Then next activity is intention shift drill. This shows how intention shapes tone. Uh, then here you can use this activity gives the same line to everyone, all the your audience. Like for example, I understand what you are saying. Ask them to use it with different intentions. Like, well, some you can make some chits also of these emotions, like intentions, your empathy, confidence, sarcasm, curiosity, assertiveness, and ask each of the person to pick one chit and say this sentence with that particular intention or emotion. So you will feel the difference. Like if we are saying, like if we are very happy, like happily greeting someone, so we are saying a very warm good morning to one and all. It means we sound like, and our expressions, our tone, our pitch is welcoming, and we are glad to welcome other person or greet with great intention. So this is how your audience and you like we will be learning how our intentions shifts our shapes our tone actually. Then next activity is breath control reset exercise. This exercise will help us to reduce the shaky voice and improve stability. So ask your participants to speak a line before and after breathing. For example, you can give this line, "Hi, my name is Dipanshi," or whatever their name is, and I'm happy to Be here today. Let them notice how calmness improves the tone. Like while we are breathing, while we are speaking, it gives the calmness, serenity to our voice. So, this is another exercise. Or the last one, sorry, not the last, but the second last one is expression mirror drill. So this activity helps you to connect your facial expressions with your tone. As I told you earlier also, while we speak, we also, our body also speaks naturally, our expression reflects on our face. So you can give this activity to your participants, like they should speak in front of a mirror. Give them a single line. They can greet with no expression, they can greet with a smile, and same line with an enthusiasm. Then they will feel the difference. Like greeting with a smile or enthusiasm feels so great instead of with no expressions. Last but not the least activity, that is emotion to voice match group activity. So this activity helps your participants to make tone reflect the right emotion. So write emotions on the chit as we have done it in the previous activity. You can make chits out of these. One participant should pick a chit and say a common line with that particular emotion. Other people should guess the emotion. This is how they will learn how, like, speaking a single thing with different emotions. Like I would like to give an example also over here. Like when we are learning a music, so we like sing a single line with different uh, in different pitches, right? This is a similar manner how we can match our emotions with our voice. So these are the list of few activities which you all can use either of them in your sessions to help your like participants learn the importance of the voice tone and how they can improve. So here this is a toolkit which you all can use and we all can learn and grow together. So any kind of doubts or queries you have, do let me know.
Thank you, Dipanshi. It
Most
was
welcome.
wonderful, and we really got to know how to use the VIBE framework, and we really got to know as to how we can use. I mean, you really gave us a lot of activities that can be used and
Yes.
that can be taken instantly and ensure that the audience is getting whatever we are trying to tell them. So,
Yes,
yes, thank you so much for that. And let's just move on to the audience. Yes. Sheila, would you like to say something, please?
Definitely.
Please stop
Thank
the
you.
screen share, Dipanshi.
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah.
sure.
Dipanshi, it was a wonderful content. I
Thank
loved
you.
each and every information that you shared, and it was very enlightening. Just ensure that you smile a little more. You had so much to share, okay? You
Yes,
had valuable content. So just carry it with your smile. That's it.
definitely. I'll try
Good
next
one.
time.
Yes.
Yes. Divya?
Well, the session taught us, no, the voice modulations. Our voice has a power. So how do we use that power, and how do we show that authority while talking? So that is what you taught us through your session. So it was definitely a good one, and the kind of plays, how do we um, use these voice modulations in games and plays, so that you
Correct.
can get associated with your audience in a better and a lighter way. So that was also told. So it was overall a wonderful one. So I, like Sheila said, I could see your smile when you were giving the examples. So
Yes.
no, it's always nice to have that smile. So thank you for the session.
Thank you, Divya. Actually, through these activities, you all can actually get your audience engaged.
Yes, absolutely.
And emotions, tones is something which everyone resonate very quickly. So you can
Correct.
catch the audience too.
Sujata?
Yeah, hi Dipanshi. So it was
Hello.
a it was a lovely presentation, very helpful for us as trainers, and you presented it very like vibe framework you shared with us. You started with that, and then you came up with so many activities, which overall I think it's a full package of self improvement, personality development. So tonality, as you were focusing on tonalities, yes, tonality has a major role in our speech delivery or presentations. So that was really lovely presentation and very helpful. So
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sujata. Dipali?
Hi, Dipanshi.
Hello.
I loved the vibe and I loved your vibe.
Thank you. You know
Yeah,
why I kept this acronym? Because
right.
these days everybody talks about vibe. ये vibe मिल रही है. This vibe is not matching. So people will actually resonate with it and keep it in their mind.
Lovely. And so I thought that you've got so many activities in your content that it could be very handy for any trainer to actually gain from it. I loved the analogy you drew between music and change of pitch. I really liked that part of it also a lot. Thank you for, you know, giving us a toolkit. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. Yes.
Rahila?
Hi Dipali, your toolkit was very insightful. The way you explained each and every point, it was really very good, and presentation was very nice. I really enjoyed listening to you, and I think this definitely will be helpful for all of us in our training sessions. So thank you for doing this.
Yes.
Thank you, Rahila. By the
Uh,
way, it's Dipanshi.
Dipanshi, acha, I said Dipali, sorry.
Although I don't mind the compliment. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Frida?
So, what I liked about the session, of course, are the activities because for me, it was quite enriching and fun to relate it to the framework that she said, vibe. And of course, yeah, like how Sheila said, maybe, whenever you said activity or whenever you were giving us an activity, that is when you were smiling. So, yeah, you've got a lovely smile. So you should keep smiling.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, audience. Thank you for the lovely feedback, the constructive feedback, the positive feedback. And thank you so much, Dipanshi. A very insightful session. And it's a wrap from our side. Thank you all for joining us. And we are going to come back with another trainer and another toolkit. Bye bye.
Bye.